Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a graph which is showing the total price P in dollars to rent a car for D days. We're asked, what does the slope of the graph represent? So what does the slope of any graph represent before we actually think about renting cars? It's the rate of change of the variable in the y-axis, which is P, over the variable in the x-axis, which in this case is D. So now we think about the actual problem. P is representing the price, so it's the rate of change of price, and the D is the number of days, so it's the rate of change of price per day. So if we look at our answers, we have the total number of cars rented, the initial cost of renting a car, the average increase in price to rent a car for each additional day, and the total number of days for which a car is rented. Which of these sounds closest to the rate of change of price per day? C, the average increase in price to rent a car for each additional day. C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.